Okay, so I was told to redo this problem and resubmit the YouTube video because I forgot part of the question. So here's we go again. So right now I'm doing problem number 13 in chapter 6. And what we're doing is running a series of tests using slope and intercept. So here's the code for the test. This is calling the line number, and if it does pass, I'll get this message saying that it's okay. And if it fails, or else, it's going to give me a big old flat out failed message, and then it will print that message below. So first thing we're going to do is calculate the slope given these points, x1, y1, x2, and y2. And here's the formula, s equals y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, and it's going to return that s. And then here are my test values right here. So let's go ahead and run that first, just so we can see that. I'm going to go ahead and comment this out, and we'll go ahead and run this. So save this, because it's going to ask me to save. Run that. Bam! All of those passed. So all of these are the right slopes and the right points, and we know that my formula does in fact work. So now I'm going to comment this out, and then uncomment that out. I'm going to get rid of that. All right, and so for the next formula, we're now finding the y-intercept using those the same coordinates, or we're using those coordinates right here, x1, y1, x2, y2, using the slope function that we used prior to. So to get the y-intercept, you have y equals mx plus b, which is the formula for that. So what we're going to do is have a variable of m equal the slope coordinates right here. Well, the slope of those coordinates that we have right here. And then b will be basically the answer. So in order to get the computer to calculate this, I needed to take the first y coordinate and the first x coordinate. And then what I'm going to do is multiply m by the first x coordinate and then subtract that from y1. And that should give me the answer b. So for our test intervals, we're going to do these examples which I got from the book. I'll run this, and hopefully that goes well. And again, those formulas are correct. So looking at both of this, it looks like the tests were a success, and my formulas worked.